Hey, what's good, gang? We back again with another banger, man. You already know what's going on. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe,
turn on your post notification,
and join the bro gang, man. You already know the vibes. I don't like how he got on a white tee. We definitely didn't plan this, I swear to you. I just got out of the shower. I just got out of the shower and put on a white tee.
He like to be like big bro, you know what I'm saying?
We're twins, bitch. But anyways, LongBeachGriffy, when a Chinese person sneezes, yo, this nigga is literally the YouTube Family Guy. Like, no chill, nothing. He says whatever the hell he wants.
This is gonna be funny.
So, spoiler alert, if you're sensitive, this is not the video for you.
Discretion is advised.
Yeah, because it's always some childish, disrespectful shit normally. So.
Think it's gonna be that disrespectful?
Hey! Back the fuck up. Yo, bro, I'm not fucking around, man. I'm sorry, dude. You got me fucked up. Dude, relax. It's just my allergies. Lies. Chinese people don't get allergies. You got that Chinese Ebola thing. The coronavirus? No, dude, I'm not even Chinese. I'm Korean. Chinese, Koreanese, Japanese, it's all the same shit. You all look alike, for Christ's sake. That is incredibly racist. Is it though? I don't even know why TSA let y'all through. Won't let me take half a bottle of water on a plane, but gonna let through a family of diseased niggas with the potential of starting a zombie apocalypse. I don't fucking get it. Where else are those families supposed to go? Antarctica. Or Florida. Nobody gives a fuck about Florida. Florida don't even give a fuck about Florida. Look, man, sneeze again. Sneeze again.
Hey, I like
will
that.
blow your motherfucking head off your motherfucking head.
That joint crazy.
Play with me. Play with me. I can't even get a happy in and out of massage parlor because of you motherfuckers.
Damn, God.
He went off.
Cause of you motherfuckers.
You motherfucker. You think you can do this shit to me?
God,
I'm putting cases on all you.
You ugly as shit, boy.
Do I look like Denzel? But but y'all already know, bro. This shit is real, bro. The coronavirus is real, bro. Now, if you haven't heard of it, it's basically a virus. I don't know if this is cap or not, but I seen somewhere that it could be projected to kill 42 billion people if it's at the rate that it's spreading, which is crazy. And it's in the U.S. now. I think they seen cases in fucking New York. They need to contain them niggas, man. But I guess it started. I don't really know the origin of it. I guess it started in China. But look, I'm gonna keep it a band. That's me anytime anyone sneezes. Anybody sneeze, bitch, get the fuck away from me. That's just how I
You
am.
pulling out your shit though. If he keeps sneezing,
My strap?
I mean, if it gets to the point where it's like that, you if you even look like you about to sneeze, you getting shot by.
I mean, that's how you gotta just be ready to shoot motherfuckers. Cause if you think about it, in the zombie Jones, they be looking all sick in the zombie movies, and you know they got the disease, but then they want to be around you. So it's like, bro, let me just put you out to misery early. Why not? You feel me? But no cap though, this shit is definitely not a joking matter. Glad he's making light of it, cause you know it's always good to laugh. But yeah, y'all stay safe out here in these streets, man. And if you see somebody looking real sick, you might have to get the cat, 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 get the cat. All right, I'm done. What are you, a fucking parrot, bitch? All right, y'all. That's gonna be it for us, man. We're gonna catch you on the next video.
We love you.
We appreciate
We
you.
gonna catch y'all in the next video. I said it this time, so it means something.
Peace.
Peace.